How does this work? Now, this was a fun experiment. That soap, the ivory soap, it just expanded. It looked like a monster growing out of the microwave. It was a lot of fun to watch. And it probably smelled good too. So, congratulations, you just made your very own foam. Foam, well, this foam is similar to styrofoam, shaving cream, whipped cream, and even marshmallows. Foam is a pretty neat thing because it floats and it usually expands when it's heated. Did you notice that when you put the soaps in the water that only the ivory soap floated? Ivory soap floats because it has air mixed into it. It has millions of tiny air bubbles. So, why does it expand like that? Well, to understand this, we got to go back a little ways. More than 200 years ago, a man by the name of Jacques Charles, it's a French name, not exactly sure how to pronounce that, he discovered that gases like air expand when they are heated. They get bigger, they expand. He conducted an experiment, just like you guys have done, where he filled balloons with a small amount of air and then heated them to different temperatures. The balloons that were heated more got bigger than the ones that weren't heated that much. And the balloons that were heated more got bigger, even though the amount of air inside them stayed the same. When the balloons cooled off, they got smaller. And he noticed that the hotter the balloon was, the more it expanded. His discovery became known as Charles' Law, or the law of expanding gases. Charles' Law explains why the ivory soap got bigger. Think of those tiny air pockets as millions of tiny balloons inside the soap. The microwave heated those little pockets of air, and when the air got hot, the air expanded, and the pockets of air got bigger. As the pockets of air got bigger, the soap started to expand. And the soap was able to expand because the soap got soft and flexible and pliable when it was heated. The other bar of soap didn't do a thing in the heat. It just kind of melted a little because it didn't have air mixed into it. So the only thing that happened to that one was the soap got soft and looked like it was melting. Now go print off your worksheet and work through this to make it into more of an experiment and learn more about expanding gases, foam, and Charles' Law.